What to focus on in affiliate and AI income, and what to ignore completely. One of the reasons beginners struggle online is not because they are doing too little, but because they are focusing on the wrong things. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to focus on and what to ignore completely if you want calm progress. Section number 1. The noise beginners chase. Most beginners focus on 1. Viral tactics, 2. New platforms, 3. Fancy funnels, and 4. Endless tools. But none of this creates progress without structure. Noise feels productive, but it delays results. Then section number 2. The 3 things that actually matters. Here is what actually matters. Number 1, clear message. That is, people should instantly know what to help with. That's a clear message. Number 2, one part. Your content should lead somewhere, not everywhere. That's one part. Number 3, consistency. That is, follow up. Trust is built after the click. Everything else is optional. Section 3. Why ignoring things is a skill. Progress accelerates when you stop chasing everything. Ignoring distractions saves you time, builds confidence, creates momentum. Clarity is not about doing more, it's about doing less correctly. Section number 4. Calm focus beats hustle. Most people burn out because they confuse intensity with progress. But consistency beats intensity. Structure beats motivation. That's how beginners actually win. If you want clarity on what to focus on and what to ignore, I've shared a free AI starter kit below. No pressure, take it calmly.